Hi guys, welcome to our channel Chris Kids. Today I am going to show you guys how to make a simple pop-up card based on Independence Day. As we all know, India got its freedom in 15th August 1947. First start with folding a white sheet of paper into two equal halves. Save this paper for later use. Take a orange paper and do fan folding method for the flag. Repeat this with other two colors, green and white. Use glue, any glue. I'm using Fevicum. Apply glue to the free end of orange fan folded sheet and stick the white paper with one end. Now glue the white sheet to the green sheet just like orange and white. Let it dry. Now our flag is ready. Take the white sheet which is folded into equal halves and stick the free ends of the flag to the paper with the help of glue. Now we get a nice Indian flag pop-up card. Leave it to dry. This is a good idea. Now with any color sketch you can write Happy Independence Day. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and like our channel.